welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Hope you subscribe to my channel, clicked on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram जिसकी link होगी description box में. Namaste, this is Dvija और कैसे हैं आप? Your sunshine in human form. और आज हम देख रहे हैं Zaya's bad parenting. ये काफ़ी requested game है but I have been particularly said कि इन्हीं की ये वाली करे और एक अमेंती करके है अमेंती I don't know if I pronounce it right. I have it all on my watch later. Okay guys, आएगा थोड़ा patience for me and you. We'll be doing that. Even this mortuary assistant for both Beast Worship and her. Then there is Resident Evil which I have put it here. And yeah, Fears to Fathom तो है ही हमारे पास. But I'm really curious and I really want to try after we complete the Fears to Fathom वाली series of like watching Kamala with Beast Show is going to be fun. अभी के लिए let's go and do bad parenting with Zaya and then we see what comes ahead for us. बाकी obviously आते रहेंगे but ये तो gaming वाली सिर्फ. उसके अलावा अगर आपके पास कोई है any other person you want me to watch or any other game you want me to watch, let me know. Let's go, let's get it. हर बार की तरह उम्मीद है वही जज जाएगा रहेगा मजा आएगा. Okay. Play.
Hello guys, welcome back to my
Hello.
channel. Today we are playing Bad Parenting. I'm
Bad
assuming it's a
parenting.
game about bad parents according to the name. But there is some mention of Mr. Redface, which is apparently taught to children by the adults कि Mr. Redface कोई मॉन्स्टर है. आई थिंक बचपन में सभी पेरेंट्स ने अपने बच्चों को ऐसा कोई एक कहानी सुनाया है to make them listen to their parents and sleep
Not
early.
mine.
Like I remember my parents used to tell me कि भाई सो जाओ जल्दी नहीं तो कोई एक मॉन्स्टर आ जाएगा and
मैं तो
stuff
बहुत
like
अच्छे
that.
सो
So
जाती थी तो
maybe it's a
not
game
me.
related to that.
खाने के लिए maybe.
But let's
I
see
wouldn't eat
how it
पहले.
actually is. मैंने काफी positive reviews सुने इस game के बारे
Now
में.
I can't stop
So
eating.
I can't
Sorry,
wait to
I had to
play
say
it.
that.
And yeah, without further ado, let's begin.
I just had to talk. Sorry.
गाना मस्त है. एकदम ऐसे पुराने
Story
जमाने का
1.
म्यूजिक जैसा है ये. Nice.
Mr.
Story 1,
Redface.
Mr. Redface. Whoa, 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 whoa. Music. Oh no. Oh,
Oh.
son. Mom, you're home late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Can you have some sympathy for me? But today is my
Oh.
birthday. Oh no. Oh, of course, I know that. If you knew that, you would be home early then.
I wouldn't say,
Then
oh, I
where
knew
is my
that.
gift? Don't tell me she forgot a gift. Have you ever heard of Mr. Redface?
That's the gift.
On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. ये Santa Claus जैसा क्यों लग रहा है? Really? Of course. If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. Oh.
फुसला
Wait,
दिया
no, it's my
सोने के लिए.
birthday. I want
हाँ.
to enjoy and like have fun with my friends and then
Wow.
sleep late, yaar. Son, I'm going to bed right now, mom. Oh, bichara. Oh, he's so innocent. Oh, he's a little cute. Dad, you're fooling the kid again. भाई बच्चे के सामने क्यों बोल रहे हो ये सब?
Exactly.
Dad, how many times have you come home this late? I was working and my shift ended late. Bullshit. You still think I'm an idiot, don't you? Oh my god, what is that weird ass angle? Hey, little shit.
How you talk to your
Excuse
son
me?
like that?
Get back to your room. Hey, little shit क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Don't stand here eavesdropping on grown-up conversations. Well, yeah, we can definitely see the bad parents already.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh.
बहुत ही weird है setting है, बहुत ही
Can I talk
unsettling
to
setting
them?
है ये.
कुछ होता है अभी? Like, can I speak to them थोड़ा सा? No. Okay, fine. I'm going. Sensitivity. ये कैसा घर है भाई? काफी अजीब सा घर है. That's the main door.
Agreed.
यहाँ पे it's the kitchen. हमारी हाइट देखो हम कितने छोटे बेबी है. Oh, little baby. Okay, we're gonna go back to our room. मेरे फोन तक हाथ भी नहीं पहुंच रहा. Is this our room? Oh, this is our parents' room, I think. Can I hide?
2 बेड है अलग
I
अलग.
mean, I'm just seeing, I'm just checking. पहले से ही horror games में छुपने वुपने का कुछ तो भी रास्ता होना चाहिए.
Nice. Now we also know
Okay.
that.
Oh,
After
बस
seeing
इतना ही घर है.
Kamila.
That's it. Parents' room,
ये क्या है?
our room.
Okay.
ये कैसा रूम है भाई
So
एक बच्चे
weird.
का? Where's the light? ठीक है चलो एटलीस्ट टीवी तो दिया है. And then there's books and I'm guessing this is the cupboard. बहुत अंधेरा है. And बस खत्म. Where are my toys? Where's my... He doesn't even have a proper bed. Mattress दिया है बस
I think
उसे.
they're not financially that good, probably.
Yeah, we're sleeping. Doze off कर रहे हैं धीरे धीरे.
ये जो डार्क वाले सीन्स होते हैं ना, आई डोंट नो उनको कितना दिखता है, लेकिन मुझे तो लिटरली नहीं दिखता है कुछ भी इसके अंदर. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सी एक्चुअली.
Oh, what the hell?
मौसम बनाना बनता है ना रेड फेस
Is
की
that
पहले.
Mr. Redface coming to give us gifts? He's gonna give us gifts, right?
What type of gifts?
Oh, oh,
Uh-huh. Hi.
oh shit. Holy
Oh.
shit, it is Mr. Redface. Oi. I mean, he has a red face.
Don't tell me he's gonna be
अपने
right on my
cupboard के अंदर
face.
गया वो. I think he did keep a gift there.
Oh.
Son, is that the gift from Mr. Redface? No way! Oh, he's so happy. We have a doll. We have a little doll. Very creepy. The doll is speaking to us. Hi, I'm Ron. What? You can talk? Of course, because I was created by magic. You even have the same name and appearance as me. Oh, our name is Ron, and actually, that kind of looks like us. That's right. My master made me just for you. But your neck seems a bit. Oh. Wait, actually, the neck seems a bit loose, yeah. It's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just a small flaw compared to the other dolls. What's important is that from now on, I'll be your best friend. Oh, we have a friend. That sounds wonderful.
She is so
Do you
positive
want
for
to play
what?
something with me?
She's so
My
positive.
master stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me? Okay. We will
Hey,
get
no,
the
no, no, no,
toys.
ये वो.
The closet is still stuck. Can you try that again? I've tried my best. I can't open it. Do you want me to do something else? I'm hungry. You're a doll. Can you even eat? Well, बच्चा छोटा है, but smart तो है. No, you'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat. My master linked all your senses and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you.
It's not
Wow,
like
that's amazing.
black.
Well, okay. ठीक है भाई, हम जाके
इसको
खाते
कुछ
हैं.
होगा तो उसको कुछ
मेरी
होगा
doll
क्या?
भी
I
खा
mean,
लेगी उसके चक्कर में. Mom तो might be working, so I guess family pictures. काफी weird family photos है, but ठीक है. Wait, there is another door here. ये मैंने देखा ही नहीं था first time. Okay, let's eat something. What do we have? Seriously, is that an alcohol bottle or something? Man,
bad
that
parenting.
sucks. You're reading this letter at 1 p.m., aren't you, sleepyhead? I hope they are calling sleepyhead as a, like, cute
Cute.
way mein.
Hmm.
I've prepared your favorite dish. I think it is in a cute way. I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating. Oh, हमें कुछ medicine भी लगता है. ठीक है. Okay, Mom.
ते छोटे बच्चे का.
Who was that? You are holding something else. Oh, wait.
No. Lord.
Okay, Dolly, sit there. We got our food.
Pizza है ना?
Where do I keep the food?
गरम करना oven. No?
Okay, Dolly. I'm sorry, guys, if you can hear some background construction noises.
It's okay.
Um,
इंडिया में होता
yeah,
रहता है
मेरे
ये.
घर में कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह चल रहा है. I think हमें अपने रूम में बैठ के खाना पड़ेगा.
20 minutes later.
Oh,
हाँ.
my bad, my bad. We had to heat it in
Heat
the
it.
oven. भाई बच्चा खुद से oven ऑपरेट कर रहा है. ठीक है.
हम बच्चे
fine.
तो oven था ही नहीं.
Doll,
Seriously
is
था.
that your favorite dish? Do you want to see me perform some magic? Yes, please, doll. All right. I'll make this plate of food never run out.
Wow, I love that.
Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state. Hey,
I
nice one,
want
yeah.
this.
Thanks, doll.
I want a lotus biscoff cheesecake in the moment. I don't know why. I just want it. Okay, whatever.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's amazing.
I love
What
it.
else can you do? Oh, oh. What's she doing with the bottle?
Uh-oh.
तोड़ दे bottle को. Wait, she drank it?
She is drinking it.
Yeah, I don't think. Oh my god, what the hell?
Exactly. What just happened?
Bro, that. Oh my god.
She looks very young.
That
What's her
jump
age?
scare, मेरे को literally goosebumps आ गए. भाई साहब. What just happened? एक
Probably
minute.
late teens,
So
early
वो doll
20s.
की जगह में वो creepy
Really
सा
young.
monster बैठा हुआ था. So I guess that is the ghost. वो बस doll के form में है. And the ghost was like drinking the bottle में जो भी था. What just happened? I don't know. You guess. Oh no, the bottle. My dad's gonna whip my ass. Oh shit. अब dad को लगेगा कि हाँ हमने तोड़ दिया उसका bottle. I hope he's still asleep. Your dad? Don't worry, my master has taken your
Hey,
dad
away?
What did you say? Excuse me? What do you mean by taken my dad away? Dad? He has to be in his room.
He's gone.
हाँ? तू इधर कैसे आ गई? मैंने तेरे को पीछे छोड़ा था.
Nice.
Where's my dad? As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad is a bad person. Ooh. He often hits and yells at you. Yeah, he was an abusive dad. Parents like that are
Adds
taken
up.
away by my master to protect children like you. Oh. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. Bro, the kid is so sweet, yaar. Even though his dad was abusing him, he still is like, "Ki, my dad doesn't deserve that. It's too much. He's a bad person." No, he's not. He's still defending him. Please let my dad go. I'm begging you. All right, but my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to where your dad is being held. You'll have to use a shortcut if you want to get there in time to save him. Show me the way. Bro, the kid is so cute. The shortcut is through your closet. अबे
Uh-huh.
क्लोजेट तो मैं
We
खोल
knew
ही नहीं
it.
पा रही थी. अब मैं जाऊं कैसे क्लोजेट पे? ठीक है.
This is
चलो
interesting. It's
क्लोजेट
getting
पे.
interesting. थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे इंसीडियस की याद दिला रहा है. I don't know why.
यार ये क्लोजेट तो खुलता ही नहीं है. You still can't open it. That's disappointing. I guess we'll have to use your parents' closet then.
Okay.
Okay? You should know that these closets can function as portals. Oh, they can take you anywhere you want, including where your dad is being held. Give it a try. Okay, fine. Oh, there's nothing in here.
Yeah,
Oh,
we knew
right, I
that
forgot.
Narnia se, by the way.
There are a few steps you need to take to activate the
Let's
shortcut. Bring your dad's radio and place it in front of the closet. Okay, fine. I'll do anything for my dad. Okay, this radio will work like an elevator button. You need to select a frequency first. If you choose the right frequency,
Wow.
the door will open to the place you need to go. Oh,
Incredible thought process in building this thing.
yeah, I
Frequency.
guess. Oh, seems like that's not it. Let's try again.
Okay.
ओके ये कोई ऐसे पानी का जगह लग रहा है. Oh my goodness,
Her scream scared me.
bro, that's creepy.
वही होगा जाने के लिए, नहीं?
Oh my god, no.
यही
I
है,
don't like the sound of this.
I guess.
I think this is the one. Go ahead and step in. I'll stay here and watch the house. Okay.
Nice. This is so good. I like this game. I love the way it's made.
Hello? आप कौन हो? Dad? 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 Are you here? Oh shit.
You
I'm
couldn't
not.
step on.
Dad? Where is my dad?
That's it. छोटू सा इतना.
Ma'am, do you know where my dad is?
So cute.
Okay, I guess I'll go in the ditch. कुछ हो नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे भी. शांति क्यों हो गई? I don't like the शांति. I want to go back to the closet. यहाँ कुछ नहीं है. Oh, I can't go back.
कुछ तो
What do
होगा
I
यहाँ
need?
पे करने
Oh,
के लिए.
I had to ring the bell. What's up? Son, I'm looking for my dad. Describe. My dad's name is Bruce. Wait a moment. Is this like hell or something? There are
Yes.
many Bruces here. Any more details? Is this Bruce a good Bruce or bad Bruce? Oh. Well, my dad is the kind of person who gets a bit angry. So he's a bad Bruce. Let me see. He doesn't want to call his dad a bad person. He just says he gets angry. There are still many bad Bruces. More specifics, please. What else does he do? He often yells. Still not enough information. Sometimes he hits me, bro. That's sad. And slaps too. And that's all. The door is behind you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Coming
पहले नहीं
back.
था ना?
What the heck?
Okay.
That was funny. Kid, boo! Haha, he just got started. Who are you guys? Just like you, we're kids on our way to find our parents. We're staying here for a bit. Do you want to join us? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. Okay, see you later. Oh, is this like I don't know, is this like symbolic something? Like ye kid is like in the grave. So maybe she got buried or I don't know, like this kid is in the trunk, like usko trunk mein band kar diya marne ke liye. Maybe I don't know. Am I
makes
thinking it too
sense.
much or something? Pata
Makes
nahi.
sense. Well, I didn't think about it that way.
Let's see. Oh shit.
Oh,
Dad. Please stop punishing me. It's me, Dad. Please stop punishing me. What has he done to you? Come on, let's go home. Or Mr. Redface will take both of us. Please stop punishing me, Dad. और कुछ बोल ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. Come, Dad. Let's go. Let's go, Dad. Oh, it's the spell.
spell.
Shit. Oh shit.
Hey, we can see ourselves now.
It's me. I'm home. I'm in the.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I was in the closet and my mom caught us.
This is so
Mom,
creepy.
are you? Mom? Mom, stop. Mom, stop.
Oh
Stop.
my god, that's unsettling as hell.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? Mr. Redface has taken Dad. कितना cute बच्चा है. Oh, well, that's a good thing then. Wait, Mom is on our side? I'm not joking. It's a long story. Let me explain. How is your doll, Ron, doing today? Is it all right?
How does she know?
The doll? Mom, how do you know about it? Of course I know, since you haven't taken your medicine today. Ooh, are they saying that the kid is gone crazy or something? This isn't the first time you've had such
Yep,
hallucinations.
she was right.
Every time you tell a different story, but the common factor is always that stupid doll. एक minute, doll तो अब भी मिला है हमें.
हाँ.
Don't you remember the previous times? No. I don't know what is wrong with you. Just go to bed. It's midnight already. Okay, but where is my doll?
रूम में ही होगी.
Okay, mom, I'll go to bed. Oi! Bro,
Oh,
the
wow.
jump scares are crazy, bhai.
Ouch.
भाई jump scares बहुत creepy है इस
Mom
game
से
में.
क्या है?
What just happened, son? Are you all right? Why is my mom sitting there like that? Oh, I'm in my mom's room. Mom, do you feel better now? Yeah, mom. It's Mr. Red Face. It's all right. Tomorrow I'll take a day off to stay home and take care of you. Okay, chalo, at least mom तो हमारी अच्छी है. Really? Promise me, mom. I promise. Now go back to sleep. Yes, mom. Yay! We have our mom with us spending the day. Oh shit! फिर से Mr. Red Face आएगा क्या?
Doll तो होगी ना.
Ui.
Where is she?
Mom, you've broken the promise again. Come on, mom, don't do that to me. Mom, you said you'll be home. Mummy,
Doll कहाँ गई लेकिन इसकी?
bro, mom actually broke the promise. But that is sad, yaar. Oh, my doll.
Oh yeah, that's
Wait,
cute.
doll का थोड़ा appearance change हो गया ना?
हाँ.
Wait, the doll is beaten up? What happened to you? My master beat the shit out of me. He wasn't happy about what happened yesterday. I'm sorry, this is my
अच्छा
fault.
उसको कुछ नहीं होता doll को कुछ
By
होता
the
है
way,
तो.
have you seen my mom anywhere? My master has taken her away. अबे मेरी मम्मी को भी ले गया. Oh no, we have to go save our mom. It just happened. I'm sorry I couldn't stop him. You should run away because he'll come back soon to take you too. No, I have to save my mom and my dad too. How? Don't you see what he did to me? Oh shit, bhai.
तो उसको भी लेके जाओ वो भी bad ही है. मारता
Huh?
पीटता
What's
है
that?
तो.
That's a spell
Spell.
thing. I found this at my dad's prison. I think it might help us defeat him. That's a spell to defeat Mr. Redface? Come on, quickly go into the closet to find where your mom is being held. Yay, let's go. Come on, come on. Can I
I
open
don't
this
think
closet? नहीं, वही वाले closet से जाना है.
doll is on our
Come on,
side.
I'm
You
coming,
sure?
mom. I'm coming. मैं आ रही हूँ, मम्मा.
पता नहीं. Confused.
Oh shit, यहाँ क्या हो गया? Where is the cat?
Oh, I think it's
ये कौन
gone.
रो रहा है?
Mom.
Wait, okay, these are
Kids.
the kids. Oh, they're hiding. छुप रहे हैं ये किसी से. Wait, the doll is here. Quickly throw the spell in here and take cover.
Right, वो आ जाता है
Oh,
वरना.
shit.
You have to take.
Take
अच्छा,
cover,
that's why
okay?
hiding.
I'm hiding.
Nice.
Oh, oh, Mr. Redface is going in there. He's going. He's going.
It was a bit like
Where is the dad though? Dad नहीं दिखा अंदर prison में. क्या हो रहा है?
spell काम किया. Is it?
Oh shit.
किस पे?
Wait. भाई वो तो पूरा बॉम्ब फट गया अंदर में कुछ तो. But my mom was in there. Doll? Wait, the doll. Okay. Huh?
It's too dark. I think jump
Let's go
scare
back
is
and
coming.
see if our mom is back or not.
I
भाई ये जल कैसे गया? What's happening to you? My master has been defeated. The magic he cast on me is also fading. Are you disappearing? Don't worry, this is what I wanted.
Oh,
You should
that's
go
on our
outside and
side.
see your parents. Wait. वहाँ पे है ना? Who is that? यहाँ कोई नहीं है.
Okay.
Oh, mom, dad. You're
Oh, yeah.
you're safe. Dad, mom, you're free now. You've been having an affair, haven't you? I told you I was busy with work.
तू भी लगा दे, तू दोनों
Liar!
लगा एक दूसरे को.
You've neglected this family for another man. Aren't you ashamed to lie to your son? And what about you? Do you think you're better than me? You're just at home leeching off me all year round. What kind of father are you? No matter what I do, it's my business. I still bring money home to support my child. And if you still think I'm a
Thank you.
you're
Don't do
lowering
that.
yourself even below that. अबे भाई बच्चे के सामने मत मार. One more word.
पीछे बाहर सकता है क्या?
Fine, you
What
and
are
I
you
will
saying,
get a
Zaya?
divorce.
Do it
One
as
of us
well.
will have
दोनों
to
एक दूसरे
move
को
out of
लगाओ.
this house.
5-6.
If you're still here
हाथ
tomorrow,
साफ
I'll
करो.
take my son and leave. You stay
Either
right
one is
there.
not right. I'm just saying.
अबे चली गई हमें छोड़ के. मम्मी मेरे को लेके जा. I was right
thought
here.
they-
Mom, did you see me? Hello.
He's reeking again, of course.
Dad.
Hallucinations की दवा की इसको जरूरत है, उसको ज्यादा.
सिर्फ दारू पी रहा है पापा घर में बैठ के. तोड़ता ही है अभी बॉटल. ओह
मुझे लगा बोल देगा ले जाओ इसको वापस तुम दोनों. Oh,
wait, is the oh yeah,
Yeah,
so the red
I was
face is
right.
the father. I won't let this happen.
no. Eh?
Oh, so
Oh. अच्छा मम्मा चली गई. So that you won't let that happen. You won't let what happen?
oh no, dude, nahi, nahi, nahi.
अच्छा they came back. That's what they wouldn't let
Bro,
it happen.
that's sad.
Wow, nice. It's good game again. Sorry.
Bro,
I just appreciate it. The game.
the dad killed the child?
Not dad.
No, no, no. This cannot be true.
It's
I'm
confusing.
very sorry, Ron. Your
Doll.
closet. I think you're able to open it now. Abbe yaar, that is depressing. So, like the kid was being abused by the father, and in his head, he didn't want to accept it कि वो उसका बाप था जो उसको मार रहा था, and so he made up the red face theory, I guess, to cope with it. Oh no. Shit. This is me? Why don't I know anything about these? You've always known.
This is insane. I never thought of this.
Because I am the knowing part of you. Oh, you've tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better about you and
Yeah,
me.
Zaya was incredible to find
Me,
this
I have
out.
to find a way to lead you back to the reality. Oh, I've tried many times, many ways to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fail, guess what happens? The abuse just continues. Tick tock boom, all the memories disappear. You once again wake up at the starting point, which is the night your dad murdered you. Okay. How long have I been dead? 14 days. It can't have been that long. What really happened to my parents? What about the mom? वो mom को पता
चली
नहीं
गई
था
ना
क्या?
वो.
The dad was abusing the son, and I don't know.
She
Why
wasn't home
didn't
at that
like
time.
she try and stop it?
वो उसको भी abuse कर रहा था.
As for
Will
your
you stop?
dad, he's hiding in a
She's-
cheap motel room. Oh, भाग गया भाई. And my mom? Oh, this is the motel room. Go home with me, Dad. अच्छा, Dad को ये सब hallucination हो रहा है.
Oh my, so creepy it is.
Did the dad kill himself or something? What about my mom? She still sees me, doesn't she? That's right, because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime, Yeah, where is she in the daytime? Son?
This is mom's point of view.
Oh. क्या फायदा रोके अब? You could have stopped it before. Man, but that's kind of messed up because the mom has to work out because the dad is not bringing any money. तो घर चलाना ही पड़ रहा है मम्मी को and she can't help it.
What did she see? The body. Huh?
Oh, she's
Acha.
at the police. Cop, do you have any clues about your husband's hiding place?
I think he.
She doesn't know. You just dropped something, ma'am. Oh, it's the thing the
Well.
thing to defeat the red face. वही वाला है ना? What is that? It's a motel card,
Okay.
but I'm not sure it's mine. Oh, चलो, she found the motel card.
हाँ.
Maybe dad के कुछ तो भी उसने छोड़ दिया होगा.
Justice.
And then they found the motel and फिर dad को उन्होंने I guess अंदर कर लिया फिर.
Oh, it was very interesting. Really interesting.
Killer father arrested. Well, we got
So happy.
justice, but bro, this is so depressing, yaar.
I think it's a story of a
This
lot
is
of
actually
people.
making me want to cry.
Not
But
just once. You see every single other place. You see, I to listen to a lot of such kind of real life incidents. Yeah. I think it's very common to see something like this. Someone who's intoxicated and can't take their own insecurities for themselves, they always project it outside. Ah, the other kids. She was right.
oh, these
She
are all
was
the other
right.
kids that were also probably like
Yeah,
killed
she
by
was
their
right.
parents or something.
Burnt. I got goosebumps यार क्या game थी wow
Well,
wow
at least he has friends with bro. This is so sad, yeah.
Wow.
This is actually very sad. Like they say, all kids deserve parents, but not all parents deserve kids.
very well said.
This was
I see.
extremely depressing. I don't know why do people even like think of hurting children, and especially your own child.
To exert
Yeah, as you
power.
can see, it was made by one person. So
अच्छा
this
था
game
यार
literally
लेकिन
proves
ये
कि it doesn't matter what kind of graphics a game has, it's the story that matters
Yeah.
and how you tell the story. And yeah, काफी अच्छा game था ये. I really enjoyed playing this.
very good.
I mean, this is not just a game, this is actually happening out there. And it's really nice that we are finally able to like raise awareness about it. I mean, this was just really sad. Like the kid made up the Mr. Red Face thing.
It's a
And
trauma
because उसकी मम्मी ने
response.
उसको बताया कि like जैसा वो Santa Claus वाला story होता है कि भाई सो जाओ, Santa Claus आके gift देगा, but
Gifts
it's
are
actually the parents who keep the gifts and then the kids wake up and they have all these gifts. तो वैसा ही I guess his mom made up a story about Mr. Redface, and he started imagining his dad in the Mr. Redface के साथ उसने उसको रिलेट कर दिया because he didn't want to accept it कि वो उसके पापा ही उसको hurt कर रहे थे. But yeah, this was a really fun
so
game.
good. So good.
Very hard hitting भाई. So it's like भाई दिल को छू लिया ये game. And I can't wait for Bad Parenting 2. अभी नीचे credits में लिख के आया था कि Bad Parenting 2 भी आने वाला है coming
Oh.
soon. So yeah, this was amazing. Glad I played this and got to experience this game. But yeah, I guess that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the game,
बहुत.
and let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this game, and if there are any other theories that you wanna put out there. I think ये काफी straightforward सा था, but until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Stay safe.
You
Happy
too.
gaming. I
Sorry,
honestly don't
I
know what.
thought it was done. It's okay. I see why you wanted me to see this. And I see a lot of these kind of like movies. I see extremely a lot of these kind of actual real life incidences. So I feel like मुझे उस स्टोरी लाइन का आइडिया आ ही गया था, नॉट व्हाट शी हैड सेड. ओके, आई रियली डिड नॉट गेट के जब उन्होंने दूसरे बच्चों को दिखाया एंड शायद ऐसा ऐसा होता होगा इन लोगों के साथ. दैट वाज क्रेजी पिकअप व्हिच आई सी सो मच, स्टिल आई डिडंट रियलाइज इट. तो बहुत बहुत मस्त. आई हैव टू गिव हर ऑन दैट. माय गॉड, आई डिड नॉट रियलाइज. आई वाज लाइक या ये हो सकता है, एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली ट्रू. शी वाज राइट. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज लाइक द ट्रॉमा की जो theory है, just to overcome that, your brain usually does that. Yes, it actually happens in real life. Maybe not this drastic for everyone, लेकिन बहुत अगर कोई चीज़ ने तुम्हें चोट पहुंचाई है तो तुम्हारा ब्रेन उसको सूद करने के लिए कुछ भी करेगा so that you don't get the hit every single time. And I couldn't realize that जब तक she didn't say कि अच्छा he was the red face that he was imagining. The dad was the red face he was imagining. That was incredible again on her part. So when I'm saying like, I genuinely do enjoy this kind of content in general, just when it's no content. Just saying that when it's content, not like when it's real life. I do like listening to this like podcasts and stuff, but they are more like for awareness and just like knowing this kind of things happening around. Obviously, I'm not that kind of person who enjoys this kind of things. You know, how am I explain क्यों कर रही हूँ? Whatever. Which is the whole reason when there were certain scenes where I said, oh wow, this is amazingly done, because काफ़ी टाइम वो नहीं दिखाते ना, वो मोज़ाइक कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे I don't know, YouTube के लिए तो करना ही पड़ता है आधे टाइम. But these kind of graphic things when they show it in a movie and stuff, I feel like it's great. In a different manner, it's great directions, different type of storyline. I like that kind of thing to just see. अभी जितना मैं explain कर रही हूँ उतना ज़्यादा weird लग रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता तुम्हें लग रहा है कि नहीं. But regardless, this is a very common storyline. बहुत जगह पे ऐसा देखने को सुनने को मिलता है. And just sad, but what can you do here is just let the toxic people go in your life. It's not just here. I mean, in general, I can say that. कि अगर कोई कहीं पे तुम्हें चोट पहुंच रही है, of course human we all are, ठीक है, हम गलतियां करते हैं, तो we can give the other person who we love a lot, who's hurting us, give them few chances. Here I'm not saying ये बच्चा है and he has no way out without the parents. Not that. I'm talking about if it's a couple, if you're grown up and you have your own decisions you can take, please leave. Most of the time people do not change. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि वो नहीं बदल पाएंगे और नहीं हो पाएगा, तो it's better that you guys live separately and happily rather than be together and both of you just be miserable. But obviously it's a game here. Why? Whatever. I think the more I explain, it looks. Anyway, I really like the storyline. I felt like I was watching a movie rather than a game. Maybe वो खेल रहे थे इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था like a movie. बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया. I do think I probably spoke a little bit over when she was, but then she was also talking a lot. Every single time she was saying something or the other, I would have had to pause like multiple times just to speak whatever I wanted to, which would be annoying and breaking the link. So yeah, that's what it is. But I'll try next time to time it perfectly. But बहुत मजा आया. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, berries. Love you. Please ignore what I said in the beginning. I'm not a weird person.